Mustafa Gheewala. I'm the director of Finetec Glazing Systems. We have different range of products when it comes to the facade railing, and this time we have launched a new product altogether under the name of Fine Build series, where we are giving the facade solutions in the form of the steel. This company, we are pioneers in the market when it comes to the fabrication and with the systems of aluminium. And now to diversify our product range and to give the customers benefit of steel and to achieve much more possibilities, that's why we have come up with the steel glazing systems, the facade range of the systems. So we mainly focus on this is the entrance areas, basically the entrance areas of residential towers or the commercial towers. If you have a double height or triple height glazing or a partition work that needs to be done, we can help with all our profiles. We have the minimal systems of starting from 38 millimeters, and it goes to, depends on your configuration, and the depth of the sections also varies accordingly. Where the limitations end, the solutions end in aluminium, that's why the steel glazing was built to ensure you don't face any challenges when it comes to the fenestration and to meet the architect or the client's requirement. Example, when it comes to the solutions, in aluminium, getting a big span, you can do it in aluminium glazing, but you need to put a steel insert. So that's why we developed the steel facade. Why to put insert when you can make the entire profile in steel? That's why we have done, to give them much stronger and superior look, and the durability of the product increases. And when it comes to the fire rating, or the systems are tested for fire systems as well as for the ratings of 120 minutes. At the time of heat, it doesn't create the smoke or to come inside the complex. And being a steel, the thermal expansion ratio is much higher. This can withstand up to 1000 degrees Celsius at the time of fire as well. So this makes it in its positions and makes it stronger. So when it comes to the environmental, the weather, what you said, it's a two barrier system. So it makes sure that there is no air or water leakage into the systems, and making it completely air and watertight systems. The carbon footprint is much better and more efficient in steel compared to aluminium. Thank you very much.